Hey, good afternoon. This is Tim Border at JH Borkau & Sons in Cedarville, 815-718-9288. 815-718-9288. And here is our 2016 Chevy Silverado 1500 Crew Cab in deep ocean blue metallic. Love this color. New tires on it. Has the General Motors factory installed tube steps, 8-way power seat with the bench seat with the center console. This folds up out of the way. You have a secret storage compartment underneath the mid part of the seat. You have all your technology hookups, auxiliaries, USB ports on the middle. IntelliLink touchscreen radio with a backup camera, StabiliTrak cargo light, rear park assist, Bluetooth hands-free phone, cruise control, automatic headlamps with auto track 4-wheel drive. Plenty of room in the back passenger compartment. It has 6 passenger seating. Alloy wheels. This 4-wheel drive. Has a switchblade tonneau cover. This is retractable. Footsteps on the corners of the bumpers. Heavy duty trailering package. Backup camera here. Does have a spray-in bed liner. Also has the torsion bar tailgate. Factory remote start. Truck is like new. Has Wi-Fi hotspot available through OnStar. Does have OnStar. Has the double tier glove boxes with another auxiliary input. Complete set of owner's manuals. This truck new had a window sticker of $47,895. It's a one owner. We have it on sale today for $26,952. One owner. Deep ocean blue metallic 2016 Chevy Silverado 1500 LT Crew Cab. $82,859 miles. 82,589. Be nice if I could talk. So get a hold of me. 815-718-9288 is my phone number. You can phone or text me at that number, or email tborder@barkau.com. Look forward to hearing back from you. Hope you're having a great day. Thanks.